What if I told you that in just a few weeks, the sky will put on 3 spectacular shows, each one completely different from the last? First, the smallest planet in our solar system will become easier to see than almost any other time of the year. Then, for a few breathtaking minutes, the sun will disappear behind the moon, turning daytime into twilight, and just days later, the night sky will explode with one of the year's most famous meteor showers. But here's something even more fascinating. For thousands of years, people didn't see these events as simple astronomical phenomena. Many ancient civilizations believed they carried messages from the heavens. Today, science explains exactly how these events happen. Yet astrology continues to give them symbolic meanings that millions of people still enjoy exploring. So in this video, we'll discover the science behind these amazing events, and later we'll explore what astrology says they could symbolize for the 4 classical elements: fire, earth, air, and water. Let's begin. Our first celestial event arrives on August 2nd, 2026. Mercury reaches its greatest western elongation, meaning it appears at its greatest apparent distance from the sun in the morning sky. Because Mercury usually stays hidden in the sun's bright glare, it's one of the hardest planets to observe. But during this event, skywatchers have one of the best opportunities of the year to spot it before sunrise. If you wake up early and have a clear eastern horizon, you may be able to see the tiny planet shining just above the horizon before dawn. Mercury may look like a bright star, but it's one of the most extreme worlds in our solar system. A single Mercurian year lasts only 88 Earth days, making it the fastest planet orbiting the sun. During the day, temperatures can soar above 430 degrees Celsius. At night, they can plunge below -180 degrees Celsius. That's a temperature swing greater than almost anywhere else in our solar system. Despite being the closest planet to the sun, Mercury isn't actually the hottest planet. That title belongs to Venus because of its incredibly thick atmosphere. Mercury, on the other hand, has almost no atmosphere at all. In astrology, Mercury represents something very different. It is commonly associated with communication, learning, curiosity, logic, decision-making, business, travel. Many astrology enthusiasts see this period as a favorable time for organizing ideas, learning new skills, having important conversations, or making thoughtful plans for the future. These interpretations are symbolic beliefs rather than scientific conclusions. New Moon Event 2, August 12, total solar eclipse. Now we come to one of nature's most breathtaking spectacles. A total solar eclipse arrives on August 12th. During this rare event, the moon passes directly between Earth and the sun. For observers located inside the narrow path of totality, daylight slowly fades, the temperature may drop. The sky becomes darker, birds sometimes become quiet, some animals begin behaving as though night has arrived, and for a few unforgettable minutes, the sun's brilliant outer atmosphere, the corona, appears as a glowing halo surrounding the dark moon. One of the most astonishing facts about a total solar eclipse is pure coincidence. The sun is about 400 times larger than the moon, but it is also roughly 400 times farther away. Because of this remarkable ratio, both objects appear almost exactly the same size in our sky. Without this incredible coincidence, total solar eclipses would never look the way they do. Ancient civilizations often viewed eclipses with fear. Some believed dragons were swallowing the sun. Others thought they signaled major changes for kings and kingdoms. Today, astronomers understand eclipses perfectly. They are predictable decades, even centuries in advance, yet that doesn't make them any less magical to witness. Astrology gives eclipses a symbolic interpretation. The sun often represents identity, confidence, purpose, leadership, personal direction. Because of this, many astrologers describe a solar eclipse as symbolizing endings, new beginnings, major life transitions, letting go of old habits, discovering a new path again. These are traditional astrological interpretations and are not supported by scientific evidence. Just when you think the sky couldn't become any more exciting, another incredible event arrives: the Perseid meteor shower. Every August, Earth passes through a trail of tiny particles left behind by Comet Swift-Tuttle. Most of these particles are no larger than grains of sand, yet they strike Earth's atmosphere at extraordinary speeds. As they burn up high above our heads, they create brilliant streaks of light that we call shooting stars. Under dark skies, observers may see dozens of meteors every hour during the shower's peak. Some are faint flashes. Others leave glowing trails that linger in the sky for several seconds. The Perseids are famous not only because they're beautiful, but because they're reliable. Year after year, they put on one of the finest natural light shows visible without a telescope. Shooting star. Why do people make wishes on shooting stars? Across many cultures, shooting stars have long symbolized hope, luck, and transformation. People have wished upon them for centuries. Science tells us these lights are simply tiny pieces of space debris burning in our atmosphere, but traditions have a way of surviving. Even today, many people still close their eyes, make a wish, and smile whenever they catch a shooting star. In astrology, meteor showers are often seen as symbols of letting go of the past, following dreams, inspiration, new opportunities, personal transformation. These interpretations belong to astrological traditions rather than scientific astronomy. Now let's explore what astrology traditionally says about this remarkable period. According to Western astrology, every zodiac sign belongs to one of four classical elements: fire, earth, air, or water. Remember, the following interpretations are symbolic beliefs and have not been scientifically verified. Fire signs: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. If you're a fire sign, astrologers believe this period emphasizes courage, ambition, and action. Mercury may inspire exciting new ideas. The solar eclipse could symbolize stepping into a new chapter. The Perseids encourage you to chase dreams instead of waiting for the perfect moment. Message for fire: be bold, but don't let excitement replace wisdom. Earth signs: Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Earth signs often value stability, planning, and long-term success. This month may encourage you to rethink financial goals, career plans, or future ambitions. Small improvements made now could produce meaningful results later. Message for Earth: steady progress is still progress. Wind face: air signs: Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Communication, creativity, and learning become central themes. Mercury's symbolism fits naturally with air energy. This may feel like the perfect time to learn something new, begin a creative project, or reconnect with important people. Message for air: turn your ideas into action. Droplet water signs: Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Water signs are traditionally associated with emotion and intuition. The eclipse may symbolize emotional closure. The Perseids may represent hope and fresh beginnings. Many astrologers see this period as an opportunity to heal emotionally and trust the future. Message for water: release yesterday so tomorrow has room to grow. Whether you're passionate about astronomy or fascinated by astrology, August 2026 offers something truly special. From Mercury shining before sunrise, to the breathtaking beauty of a total solar eclipse, to the dazzling Perseid meteor shower, the sky reminds us how extraordinary our universe really is. Science helps us understand these events. Astrology offers symbolic interpretations that many people enjoy reflecting on, whichever perspective you prefer. Take a few minutes this month to step outside, look up, and appreciate the incredible universe we all share. Now it's your turn. Which of these three events are you most excited about? Sunrise: Mercury at dawn. New moon: the total solar eclipse, comet, or the Perseid meteor shower? And if you enjoy astrology, which element are you? Fire, earth, air, water? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because here, we explore the wonders of astronomy, the mysteries of the universe, and the fascinating traditions that have connected humanity to the night sky for thousands of years. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.